I'm not bothering with graphics this time because I want you to pay attention to what I have to say. AI will displace workers. This statement surprises no one anymore. I believe the phrase being tossed around this week is steal jobs. This is nothing new. It's been happening since the 1950s. This iteration of AI will do to the white-collar workers what the Industrial Revolution did to blue-collar workers. What can be automated will be automated. But I just don't see corporations replacing all, or even most, of their people. And here's why. We know AI is power-hungry. We also know that we don't have a power grid system that supports our current needs. So what will happen during a blizzard or heat wave? We also know that the required infrastructure consists of many machines working together in data centers to serve millions of users simultaneously. What if one of these data centers is destroyed by a fire or tornado? The solution is fairly simple: have a backup system. But that would be expensive. And that leads to something else I've been wondering about. Why is everyone assuming AI will be free for everyone forever? Now, I'd like to talk about coding for a minute. A very specific use of AI. I have decades of experience and I have a few projects under my belt using the current AI tools. There is no way AI code generators are going to replace developers. Programmers, yes, but not developers. Let me explain. A programmer does just that: program. They will code up something that meets the interpreted requirements. Whereas, a developer will produce a maintainable solution that meets your needs. I hope you see the difference. I've loved using the AI features in some of the more established tools. But when it comes to the new tools, I see a problem. No-code app creation tools are making a ton of junk daily. The appeal of these tools is obvious. But let me explain why I think they're dangerous. I used one to create a web page with the word test. I expected an HTML file and maybe a CSS file. I received a React solution using Tailwind CSS. I thought, oh, that's cool. A bit much, but okay. Then I remembered that this tool is being marketed to people that have no experience, and they're being told they can open businesses with this. What will these people do if their project stops working as desired and the tool simply can't correct it? I asked this to the support line. Their answer was, don't publish the project until it's complete. That's ludicrous. This tool is obviously being run by really intelligent but inexperienced people. But I digress. So, who will lose jobs to these tools? Well, it won't be the experienced developer. Of that, I'm positive. Now, I've heard a lot of people calling this an AI revolution. I think this is not that at all. I think this will be an entrepreneur revolution. We've heard of people losing their jobs. Yes, this will happen. But I believe many people will recognize new opportunities and get in on the ground floor. They will have the tools to work for themselves in the new AI-enhanced economy. Seeing as how this channel is geared to help the disabled community, I'd like to touch on that next. Now, where the disabled fit in with everyone else. It's a fair playing field finally. AI enables disabled individuals to launch and run businesses more independently by automating tasks like customer support, via chatbots, bookkeeping, and marketing, reducing barriers related to mobility, fatigue, or communication. So to review, AI will do to white-collar jobs what the Industrial Revolution did to blue-collar jobs. But there are some serious and immediate issues that need to be addressed. I expect to see the disabled community being a player in the coming entrepreneur revolution. I'd love to hear your perspective on this. AI is coming in like a freight train. Are you just standing there on the tracks?